Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of this video I posted on TikTok that has been going viral. So I'm very excited for you guys to see how I customize my iPhone with this really cool dark aesthetic, super futuristic vibes. I'm obsessed. Let's get to it. I'm so excited to start this transformation on my phone. This is what it looks like, all basic. I'm gonna start by putting it to dark mode. The first app I'm gonna go on is called Wallpapers Central, and there's so many different options on this which I really like, and it's fun to switch it out every now and then. You can also just search for dark theme and find some inspo or some really cool ones there as well. This app is free, which I love. There is a paid version, but I don't have that. I feel like there's so many options as it is. I chose this ocean wallpaper. I'm just gonna set it as my lock screen. I love how high quality it is. And then I'm also gonna make this one right here my home screen because I think it will look really cool with widgets. Alright, the next app you hear me talk about all the time, it is called TWidgets, and I use this in all of my widget tutorial videos. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is very important, go to transparent widget. Now we're going to go to our home screen and slide over to the right to an empty screen and screenshot that. Now you're just going to add that in on TWidgets so that you can have transparent widgets like you guys always see in my videos. Doing this definitely elevates the look. I've explored the app a little and found some widgets that I like, so I really think this one is cool. I'm just going to add in a few different apps, specifically ones that have color on it. Since my background is really dark, I want this to stand out. Now, when you set them, make sure you click on transparent widget, and then you can even select the location of your home screen where the widget is going to be. Still in the same app, TWidgets, I'm going to go around and find other widgets that I think will look cool and really complement the dark aesthetic. I'm saving every single one of these with a transparent background. Once I saved a bunch that I like, I'm going to go over to the icons and find a dark aesthetic that will look cool as well. This part is also important, so you're going to click on Install Icons and choose the ones that you actually use. Not all of them. If you don't need them all, you don't need to select them. Now you're just going to want to follow the steps as directed. So I'm going to click on download. Now you're going to head over to the settings of your iPhone and search for VPN. You're just going to follow the instructions by clicking on TWidgets and then install. This app is great because it does it so quickly for you. You don't have to go to the shortcuts app on your iPhone. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to go through every single one of my apps, delete them from my home screen, just move them around and organize them in the way that I like best. Once you organize them a bit, you're going to go and add in a new widget, so make sure you click on TWidgets and then go and select the size you made it. Once you add them in, you're just going to select choose and then try to remember what it was named from the widgets. It's kind of hard sometimes. Now you're going to select where you want it. You can always change this after, by the way. I'm just going to keep adding in widgets, editing it, and seeing which part of the screen it looks best on. I changed this a bunch of times just to see where it's going to look the most cohesive. You kind of just have to play around with it and see what looks best in which location. I think I'm going to change the background because it's not giving me the vibe I wanted. So now I'm going to change it to the same as my lock screen. I feel like this just looks so much cooler and way more clean. The next app I'm going to show you is really cool. It's called TWid and it's a transparent widget. I like this because it basically just adds a clear space. Let me show you. As you can see on the top right here. I'm going to add in another one that is a square, like this small one, and just move it around and see where it will look best. I'm really liking how this is turning out. You can just change the transparency, by the way, to bottom right or wherever you place that widget. Alright, now that I played around with it for a little, here is the final reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below what color and aesthetic you think I should do next. They are so fun for me to create, so I cannot wait to make more. Like and subscribe if you liked this video, and as always, follow me on TikTok and Instagram to stay updated on my life and latest tip and trick videos. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye!